In a quiet village lived Jesus, a humble servant of God, full of love. With faith, even a drop of water became a miracle. God's blessings work only through faith and kindness, not greed.
Have mercy on me, Lord. I know I am not worthy of your kindness. Your sins are forgiven. Go in peace.
True miracles happen when the heart is pure.